Dobar dan, draga braćo i sestre, nalazim se u kući moje parohijanke i gospođe Viktorije. Viktorija je pukovnik kanadske vojske, Crnogorka, rođena u Kanadi, ćerka naše dobre Radmile. Viktorija, dobrodošla, welcome. I talk many times with you, especially I just would like to underline how important is to never lose hope on God and serving military and serving God, biti vojnik i služiti Bogu. You are very distinguished and honored member of our Canadian military. You were honored by our Prime Minister, who I also met, Justin Trudeau. Tebe je nagradio Justin Trudeau, but you feel that God honored you the mostly. Iako te Justin Trudeau, naš premijer, nagradio, ti vjeruješ i znaš da te najviše nagradio Bog. Tell us something about your experience. You are wearing your cross all the time. You are reading the prayers. So tell us tell to our viewers something we would like to know.
Well, it was God that got me through my tour in Afghanistan. I was there for 9 months. It's called an extended tour.
Bog je pomogao dok je ona bila u Afganistanu. To je bio također, da kažem, produženi vojni rok.
Afghanistan was what I described as hell on earth.
Afganistan je po njenim riječima bio pakao na zemlji.
We even made a joke as the soldiers. We said that God doesn't know where Afghanistan is. He lost it on the map. That was our joke.
Vojnici su se šalili da je Bog zaboravio gdje se nalazi Afganistan na mapi.
But in one of my hardest times, because in Afghanistan it's very barren land, there's nothing growing and there's garbage everywhere, I remember one day when I felt so low and so lost, almost like God wasn't there, I saw one single flower, and it was a very small purple flower, and it made me feel like God was telling me, I'm here, you're not alone.
Kada je vidjela jednog dana da je skoro sve izgubljeno, onda je vidjela samo, pronašla je samo jedan cvijet i onda je to shvatila da je to volja Božja i rekla je sebi, Bože, ti me nisi ostavio, hvala ti što me nisi ostavio, i vidjela je da je Bog nije ostavio.
Yes, it was a very difficult tour. I lost a lot of friends.
Bilo je veoma teško, izgubila je dosta njenih prijatelja.
However, I never lost my faith. We even had a prayer group over there.
Nikada nije izgubila njenu vjeru i imali su čak i molitvenu grupu, molitvenu zajednicu.
And if anything, seeing everything I saw over there made my faith stronger.
Sve što je vidjela u tom ratu u Afganistanu, učvrstilo je njenu vjeru u Boga.
Without God, I would have nothing, and He is the reason I'm so successful today, even after Afghanistan.
Bez Boga ne bi imala ništa, i Bog je glavni uzrok i glavni razlog zašto je ona uspješna toliko danas, samo zbog toga što je ona vjeruje u Boga i ona svu nadu je polagala na Boga. When I saw you first time, you had Orthodox study Bible. I saw today when I bless your home, you have Orthodox study Bible.
Yes.
You have most of your prayers you do online on the tablets and on iPods. I love that. I was telling to my viewers when I interview Radmila how you read the prayers from the iPods, and I love that. The main thing is that we read the prayers from where is not important. Važno da čitamo molitve. Gospođa Rado, da ti se zahvalim što si tako lijepo odgojila ćerke da budu vjernice, pravoslavne hrišćanke i dobre Crnogorke. Draga Viktorija, ti si kao Crnogorka ponos Crne Gore, jer si pukovnik kanadske vojske, Colonel of Canadian Military, and may God bless you. Just final message to our viewers who are Montenegrin speaking and English speaking, to give them a message.
I would say when everything feels like it's all lost and there's no hope, just turn to God, because no matter how hard life is and no matter what you're facing or what you see, God is always right there. Just don't forget to turn to Him and ask Him for help, and He will always answer. Just maybe not on your time, on His time.
Uvijek znači poručuje, Viktorija poručuje, uvijek imajte vjeru u Boga i što god radite neka bude vjera u Boga i kada vas svi ostave, Bog će biti na vašoj strani.
U njegovo vrijeme, kad on odredi vrijeme.
Kad Bog odredi vrijeme. A gospođa Rado, vi i ja ćemo reći vjerujte u Boga
Da.
i nikad više 18.
I nikad više 18.
Za nas Crnogorce. May God bless you, may God safeguard you. Ti si ponos Crne Gore, hvala ti, hvala, živjela. Hvala. Hvala vam puno. Bog vas blagoslovio. Amin.